The Kettlebell Wallball Sub is a fun substitute for wall ball shots if you don't have a med ball or open wall space. To perform a kettlebell wallball sub, begin like a normal kettlebell swing. Keep your arms close to your body as you extend the hips and flip the ball part of the bell toward you as you catch the kettlebell like so. Immediately perform a thruster-like movement similar to a wall ball shot, and at the top, lightly toss the ball part of the kettlebell away, which will swing the handle right into your fingers to grab. From here, simply finish the rep exactly like the second half of an American kettlebell swing, and repeat for as many reps your workout demands. I suggest using a light kettlebell and a small toss while learning this movement for the first time to ensure no accidents.